lunge row. We're gonna have a good solid lunge setup. Rear heel is off the ground. A lot of people make the mistake of letting that heel touch. That basically takes your glute out of the movement. Hips level, glutes on, heel off the ground. We're gonna come down to this strong, stable position here. Goal is to keep the working arm retracted as you're rowing. So it's gonna challenge your stability in the core and the hips, as well as your rowing strength. So from the front, it's important to keep the shoulder strong. Don't sink into it, push away. So this shoulder is engaged, hips are nice and level. You're keeping tight elbow as you row, so don't let it flare. And also the rowing motion isn't just up and down, it's arcing back. That's gonna get more of the lat involved and take some of the bicep out. If you're just rowing up and down, that's pretty much all bicep. That's bad, but I want you to work on rowing back to get more lat involved.